in Edge. Here are the steps on how to use Bing Chat in Edge. 1. Open Microsoft Edge. 2. Click on the Bing Discovery button in the top right corner. 3. Click on the Chat tab. 4. Type your question or request in the chat box. 5. Click on the Send button. 6. Bing Chat will respond to your question or request. You can also use Bing Chat to compose content, such as emails, articles, or ideas. To do this, click on the Compose tab and type your content in the text box. Bing Chat will help you to format your content and provide suggestions for improvement. Bing Chat is a powerful tool that can help you to find information, compose content, and get things done. I hope you find it helpful. Here are some additional information about Bing Chat. * Bing Chat is powered by artificial intelligence, which means that it is constantly learning and improving. * Bing Chat is available in English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. * Bing Chat is available on the web and in the Microsoft Edge browser.